Hello students, we are going to discuss about the first chapter, that is the portrait of a lady. So this is a very beautiful story and is a real story which is written by the writer Khushwant Singh. He focuses on his grandmother in the story, and Khushwant Singh tells us the story of his childhood that he had spent with his grandmother, and he focuses on and shows us the beautiful relationship he had with his grandmother. And this story shows the beautiful bonding or the relationship between a grandson and his grandmother. So the title of this chapter, The Portrait of a Lady, contains the word portrait. Okay, so portrait here means a drawing or a sketch or just an illustration of someone or something. Okay, so here the writer is going to give us an idea of the lady, that is his grandmother, that what kind of a person she was, and he is going to create a picture of his grandmother in our minds. So students, before reading the chapter, I am going to provide you with the word meanings of the chapter. I want you all to please note this down. It will help you understand the chapter. So here, these are the word meanings of the chapter, The Portrait of a Lady. The first word is wrinkled, meaning having line or folds. Number 2, portrait, meaning painting or picture. Number 3, mantelpiece, meaning a structure of wood, marble or stone above and around a fireplace. Number 3, the thought was almost revolting. So this is an expression which is given in the story, and the meaning of which is it was very hard for the author to believe. Okay. Number 4, revolting, meaning disgusting or unpleasant. Number 5, absurd, meaning illogical. Number 6, undignified, meaning disrespectful. Number 7, fables, F-A-B-L-E-S, fables, meaning fictitious or imagined stories with a moral teaching. Number 8, prophets, meaning saints. Number 9, crisscross, meaning a pattern of intersecting straight lines. Number 10, hobbled, meaning walked in an awkward way. Number 11, stoop, meaning bend one's body forward. Number 12, rosary, meaning a string of beads for keeping count of number of chants made of a religious prayer. Number 13, locks, here meaning hair. Number 14, scattered, meaning disorganized. Number 15, untidily, meaning not neat. Number 16, puckered, meaning a face tightly gathered into wrinkles. Number 17, inaudible, meaning unable to be heard. Number 18, serenity, meaning the state of being peaceful and calm. Number 19, an expanse of pure white serenity. So this is again an expression which is in the story, and we will further read about it while we will be moving ahead with the story. Now the meaning of this phrase or this expression is that it refers to the calm, relaxed and peaceful character of the author's grandmother. Number 20, contentment, meaning a state of happiness and satisfaction. Number 21, monotonous, meaning dull and boring. Number 22, bothered, meaning to be concerned. Number 23, fetch, meaning go for something and get it. Number 24, slate, a flat plate of slate earlier used for writing or in schools, and which we all call folly in Assamese, right? Number 25, earthen, meaning made of baked or fired clay. Number 26, stale, meaning no longer fresh and pleasant to eat, or hard or dry. Number 27, scriptures, meaning the sacred writings of a religion. Number 28, growling, meaning making a low guttural sound in the throat. Number 29, courtyard, meaning veranda. Number 30, years rolled by, meaning time passed. Number 31, distressed, meaning suffer from extreme sadness, anxiety or pain. Number 32, lewd association, meaning indecent or obscene. Number 33, harlots, meaning prostitutes. Number 34, gentlefolk, meaning people of noble birth. Number 35, snapped, meaning break suddenly and completely. Number 36, seclusion, meaning the state of being away from the people or the state of being private. Number 36, okay, I have just read it. Now, number 37, accepted her seclusion with resignation. So, this is a phrase again within this story, the meaning of which is the grandmother accepted a lonely life as she accepted the separation from her grandson without objection. Number 38, spinning wheel, meaning a household machine with a wheel attached to it for spinning yarn. Number 39, a veritable bedlam of chirrupings. This is also a phrase again within the story. This is an expression, the meaning of which is it refers to the noise and confusion caused by the chirrupings of the sparrows. Number 40, bedlam, meaning confusion. Number 41, chirrupings, meaning noise of a small bird. Number 42, perched, meaning rest on something. Number 43, shoot, meaning make a person or animal go away by shouting or saying shoo. Number 44, sentimental, meaning a feeling of sadness or a kind of an emotional feeling. Number 45, moist, meaning wet. Number 46, imprint, meaning impression or stamp. Number 47, clasped, meaning hold tightly. Number 48, frivolous, meaning light-hearted. Number 49, rebuke, meaning disapproval of something or someone, or scolding. Number 50, frivolous rebukes, meaning light-hearted scoldings. Number 51, thumped, meaning hit. Number 52, sagging, meaning sinking downwards. Number 53, dilapidated, meaning in a state of disrepair or ruin as a result of age or neglect. Number 54, the sagging skins of the dilapidated drum. So this is again a phrase within the story which means the loose surface of the worn out drum. Number 55, persuade, meaning to request. Number 56, overstraining, meaning overdoing something. Number 57, omitted, meaning leave out or exclude something. Number 58, pallor, meaning an unhealthy pale appearance. Number 59, customary, meaning traditional. Number 60, crude, meaning in a natural state or roughly made. Number 61, blaze, meaning a very large burning fire. Number 62, shroud, meaning a piece of cloth used to wrap a dead person. Number 63, corpse, meaning a dead body. So students, these were the word meanings of the chapter, The Portrait of a Lady. I have just provided it to you, and you students, please note it down. It will be very helpful for you to understand the chapter, and we will begin the chapter in the next session.